Can you forward voice messages on Instagram? Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, go ahead and log in into your Instagram application. Make sure that Instagram app is up to date. Now once you have successfully logged in, you can go ahead and click on the DM section that is in your top right corner. Right from here, go ahead and check out a conversation with a voice chat or a voice message. If you press and hold on to the voice message, you will see various options such as reply, delete, report, and unsend. However, there is no any forward message option. This is because Instagram does not have the forward voice message option yet. Now, if you really want to go ahead and forward the voice message, what you can do is you can actually screen record the message, then just tap on this play button right here, ensuring the voice note is captured. Then you can just send the video itself. So that is the alternative way to do so. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.